What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo.
This your boy Steph.
Thank you guys for tuning in to another edition of Bros Got Souls.
Today we got a special treat for you guys. It's our first unboxing video.
Very first.
Let's get it. Ooh. What you got? Oh shit. What you got?
You got that, yeah. You ready? Put this shit down real quick.
I knew it, man. I knew it. Lucky bastard.
Oh shit!
Oh, wait. Y'all know what that red box means.
We got a little Supreme sticker.
I'm still in this.
We got the receipt.
This is stolen. Man, that red box is official, bro.
Yeah, bro. You ready? Ready? Pull out. You wanna do that? You wanna do that here?
Fire extinguisher alert.
Oh,
Ooh,
man. Oh, we got extra laces on them too.
There we go. Supreme 98 Varsity red.
Alright guys, let's get into a couple details.
Alright guys, so you got the 3M going around the whole shoe. 3M on the upper. You got the 3M on the lace locks. It's got the 3M hits on the heel tab.
They got world famous also stitched in on the back heel tabs. They got red patent leather all around the shoe with a gray mesh upper. This clean white milky visible air unit. Gray bottoms. The Airmax branding on the tongues.
Also comes with the extra laces. Right here you got the red laces in case you want to switch them out. Give it that all red look, man.
And then they also got that Supreme branding on the toe.
Oh, Supreme time Nike. All right, guys, here's the on foot.
Shout out to Kais.
Yeah.